Do you have a website or a blog? Want to know how a single line of code automatically added 6,386 sales to our ClickBank accounts in only 6 months? And how this new website code automatically built us a massive email list of 11,643 subscribers in just 7 days? Exploded our conversion rate by 198% in only 6 hours. And it's not just us. Some of the biggest affiliates and vendors on JVZoo and ClickBank already use this revolutionary AI technology. Like Rich Williams, who increased his sales by 177% in just 2 days. Or Chris X, who built a new email list of 1,981 buyers in only 4 days. And today, you can start doing the same by copy and pasting one line of automated bot code to any website or blog, and exploiting a new AI technology used by huge companies like Facebook, Spotify, Starbucks, Staples, The Wall Street Journal, Pizza Hut, Amtrak, Disney, H&M, and MasterCard. Hi there. On behalf of Simon Wood, Giri, Imran, and the rest of the team, welcome to this short video. Together, we've got 32 years of experience in developing cutting-edge software. We're currently in the Platinum group on ClickBank, and we're one of the biggest affiliates on JVZoo. Over the last 11 months, we've spent over $12,000 developing a new bot technology. Our revolutionary AI can explode the conversions of almost any website: affiliate review sites, list building pages, WordPress blogs, sales letters, e-commerce websites, local business sites, webinar registration pages, consultancy websites, freelance websites, almost any website you can think of. Our sophisticated bot code works with WordPress, ClickFunnels, Lead Pages, Shopify, JVZoo, ClickBank, and hundreds of other programs. It's also fully integrated with email autoresponder services like Aweber, MailChimp, SendLane, and GetResponse. Okay, so what's this all about? Well, did you know that by the end of this year, a staggering 85% of customer interactions won't be with a human? That's because of the rise of a powerful new AI technology: chatbots. You might have heard about chatbots on major news channels like CNN and Fox News. Mark Zuckerberg revealed chatbots will be the secret to Facebook's success over the next 10 years. Billion-dollar companies like Amtrak are already using chatbots to get ROIs of 800% or more. By 2021, 50% of companies will spend more on bots than on mobile apps. By next year, the average person will have more chats with bots than with their spouse. But how can the average website owner use this AI technology without being a $500 billion tech giant and without having to spend thousands of dollars on programmers or live chat agents? Well, after $12,000 in development costs and 6,386 sales during beta testing, I am proud to announce the future of automated website conversions is finally here, presenting ConversioBot, the only chatbot builder for small business owners who want to build an email list quickly and explode their sales with just one line of code. ConversioBot uses new AI technology and works for any type of website, including affiliate review sites, list building pages, WordPress blogs, sales letters, e-commerce websites, local business sites, webinar registration pages, consultancy websites. Thanks to our revolutionary bot automation, you don't need any human sales agents. You don't need to know a thing about coding. Just swipe one of our done-for-you AI chat templates, Step 1. Then click to generate a line of chatbot code, Step 2. And finally, copy and paste the code onto your website, Step 3. Sit back and watch as ConversioBot runs hands-free 24/7. Prepare to be shocked at how it can automatically explode your conversions, automatically build you a massive email list. It's the AI technology of billion-dollar companies, but for the first time, it's in the hands of the average website owner. Okay, so let me introduce one of our founders, Simon Wood.
Hi there.
Simon's used ConversioBot to create hundreds of automated bots for affiliate review pages, sales letters, list building pages, e-commerce websites, and local businesses, all in a matter of minutes.
That's right, and I'm going to pull back the curtain to show you how easy it is to use ConversioBot today. So let's dive straight into the demo. So I'm on the dashboard right now, and I want to show you how easy it is to set up a bot on your website. So in this example, I'm going to use a done for you bot to build an email list. And if I come over to the general settings page quickly, you'll see that we are fully integrated with a number of different email marketing services. And we're also fully integrated with Zapier, which allows you to connect to thousands of different apps. Okay. So let's say, for example, I want to connect ConversioBot with Aweber. And now Aweber is a really popular email marketing platform. And all I have to do is a couple of clicks, and that directs me through to a page where I can sign into Aweber to complete the process, and that's it. So let's now check out the done for you templates that you'll find in your account. To do that, we go to the ChatBot templates page. And on this page, we've got a wide range of done for you templates. For example, you can see here that we've got a discount bot, and these are so powerful at driving huge sales. But the example I want to give is for list building. So I'm going to come down to the lead generation category, and I'm going to use this bot for list building because I want to build my list by offering my customers a free gift. But you can also use this bot to share your gift throughout social media. You can see that we've got the social sharing option. So it can drive you tons of social followers and build you a massive list. So let me show you a preview of how the bot works. Now, the first thing you're going to notice is it wants me to engage with it straight away. And that's really important for getting the attention of your bot user. The next thing is it's going to ask for my name very near the start, and this is a really powerful way to personalize the chat. So I'm just going to pop my name in there, and you can see now that the bot continues to engage with me, and this is so much more engaging, so much more powerful, and so much more interesting than a normal boring opt-in form or pop-up or whatever it might be. You can see it's now asking me for if I want to take the free gift, so I'm going to say yes to that. And you can even use these done for you bots to collect phone numbers and all sorts of information. I'm actually going to say no to phone number because what I'm really interested in now is the email address, and that's what I want to show you guys. And it's going to ask me for my email now, so I'm going to pop that in quickly. Simon at ConversioBot.com. Now the email I've just entered there is automatically added to my Aweber list, and it also asks me here for legal permission to opt in to our newsletter. So I'm going to say yes, and now I'm fully opted in. Now as the chat continues, the bot is going to ask me to share this on social channels. You'll see now it's just confirming that the gift has been sent out to me. It's asking me now if it thinks my friends deserve to receive the gift as well. And if so, simply share on social media. I'm just going to show you exactly how that works. So if I was to click on Twitter, for example, pop-up's going to open. And if you're already logged into Twitter, you're just going to be able to tweet that link. If not, it's going to ask you to log in, and then you'll see this screen and you can tweet that link. So this is a highly interactive and explosive way to get twice as many leads as an opt-in form and build your social following at the same time. And you can easily use this bot in your account with just one click. So all you need to do is come over to where it says use template, click there and confirm. And this is going to now add that bot to your My Bots list. But what it's also going to do is open it within the builder. Here you go. And if you want to customize the messages or add any more messages, then you can do that here. But you don't have to do a thing if you don't want to. You can click through the steps or go straight to publish and simply grab one line of code, which is down here, copy that and paste it into the code on your website, and that's it. In fact, I'm going to do this right now for one of my sites. So I'm going to go over to one at the back end of one of my sites here. I'm going to paste it in, hit save, and that is going to update live on my website within seconds. It's so easy. You'll be shocked at the results. We've built huge lists twice as fast using bots like this. And we've also got done for you bots to explode your sales. It really is an incredible software tool. But anyway, let me hand you back over now because you don't want to miss the rest of this short video.
Welcome back. Look, you don't need any special skills or knowledge to profit from ConversioBot. It's so simple to use our point-and-click software. In fact, it's designed for complete beginners. Are you a website owner looking to explode your profit? Are you a blog owner trying to rapidly build your email list? Are you a newbie starting out online and looking for fast results? Are you an affiliate marketer looking for tried and tested niche bot templates? Are you an e-com seller looking for more sales without spending more on traffic? Are you a social media marketer looking to take the conversation outside of Facebook? Are you a video marketer in need of an innovative way to explode your subscriber count? Are you a bricks and mortar business owner trying to get more leads? Are you a consultant looking for new proven strategies for your clients? Are you a product vendor seeking a cutting-edge advantage over your competitors? Are you a freelancer in need of more clients? Get ready to be stunned at how ConversioBot can automatically explode your conversions, automatically build you a massive email list. Start today by copying and pasting one line of automated bot code to your website or blog. Exploit a new AI technology used by huge companies like Facebook, Spotify, Starbucks, Staples, The Wall Street Journal, Pizza Hut, Disney, H&M, and MasterCard, without having to spend thousands of dollars on programmers or live chat agents, without spending an extra cent on traffic, without any special skills or experience. Enjoy full access to all of ConversioBot's features. Drive more leads and more sales on almost any website just by copying one line of code. 100% newbie-friendly, works with WordPress, ClickFunnels, Lead Pages, Shopify, JVZoo, ClickBank, and hundreds of other programs. Multi-site license, so you can install it on unlimited websites. 10 done-for-you AI chat templates, includes e-com, affiliate, IM, and list building, valued at $197. Create your own chatbots in minutes. Also use it to provide customer support and dramatically reduce your support tickets. Microsoft cloud-based software with 99.99% uptime. Fully integrates with Google Analytics, Google Ads, and Facebook Ads. Fully integrates with Aweber, MailChimp, GetResponse, and SendLane. GDPR compliant. Step-by-step training videos to walk you through everything. Dedicated support. If you join today, we'll also upgrade you to a full commercial license valued at $497. That means you have unrestricted rights to sell your chatbots to local businesses, social media marketers, bloggers, consultants, e-com entrepreneurs, product vendors, bricks and mortar business owners, offline consultants, and many more. We'll show you exactly where hungry companies are paying anywhere from $200 to $500 and more for similar bots. If you join today, you'll qualify for a massively discounted one-time fee. This is strictly an introductory launch offer. It'll soon expire and change forever to a monthly subscription. No exceptions. You're also covered by our no questions asked 30-day money-back guarantee. You've got absolutely nothing to lose. This is 100% risk-free. So, click the button below right now. Get in at the lowest price possible whilst you still can, and get ready to transform your website into an automated sales and list building bot. Secure your license of ConversioBot and start getting results today. This truly is a game changer. There's nothing like this out there. Get access to the internet's most powerful AI technology today. On behalf of the whole team, I'm really excited about you joining our community. Our dedicated support team are ready to guide you click by click. Click the button below and jump right in. We've got a secret surprise waiting for you on the inside.